In this tutorial, we'll program the buttons of the microbit to show a happy or sad face. Go ahead and create a new project. Name it Smiley Buttons. For this program, we don't need our default onStart or forever blocks, so we can delete them from the workspace by dragging them over to the toolbox. Let's start by showing a happy face when we press button A on the microbit. Open the Input toolbox drawer and drag an On button A pressed block onto your workspace. Now, whatever code we put inside this block will run when button A is pressed. Open the Basic toolbox drawer and drag a Show Icon block into On button A pressed. In the Show Icon block, let's click to select a happy face emoji. Now let's test this in our microbit simulator by pressing button A on the left-hand side here. Great! You can see that our happy face icon appears. Now, let's show a sad face when we press button B on the microbit. So open the Input category again and drag another On button A pressed block onto our workspace. Notice that it turns gray and becomes disabled. That's because there's already one On button A pressed block already in our program, and there can be only one. So now let's click on the A button drop-down menu and select button B. From the Basic toolbox category, let's go ahead and grab another Show Icon block and drag this one into On button B pressed. In this Show Icon block, select the menu and find a sad face emoji. Great! Now let's test our full code in the simulator. When I press button A, I see a happy face, and when I press button B, I see a sad face. Great! Now if I have a microbit, I can plug that into my computer and press the purple download button to download my code onto the microbit. If you would like to go further, try adding a secret emoji that appears when buttons A and B are pressed together.